Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some patterns on paper using coffee. I'm going to use instant coffee powder for all these patterns. For the very first technique, I'm going to spread coffee onto the sheet and going to sprinkle some coffee powder onto it. Don't worry, I'll be showing all the sheets to you at the end so that it dries up properly and you're able to see the textures very well. For the technique 2, I'm going to crumble the paper and dip that properly into the coffee and let it dry. For this technique, I'm going to spread coffee onto the sheet of paper and I'll be creating some patterns using salt. I'll be sprinkling some salt onto the paper. For this technique, I'm going to use a regular bottle cap and create some textures using that. I'm going to pour some coffee droplets onto the paper and I'll be spreading that with the help of straw. Pour some coffee droplets and spread that with the help of normal toothbrush. This will require multiple coatings and repeat this process once this is done. And for this one, I'll be covering the paper with water first and then we'll start making some beautiful textures using coffee. For this technique, I've mixed some Fevicol in coffee and going to spread this mixture onto the paper. With the help of facial tissues, I'll be covering the paper and press the tissue properly with coffee. And it's time for final results. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is the final outcome. If you like it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.